Question 1. The illustration below represents a satellite image of Earth. Which feature is shown in the middle of the picture? A. A desert. B. A mountain. C. Rivers. Or D. Glaciers. Question 2. The satellite image below shows a ship channel between South Padre Island and Boca Chica Beach in South Texas. Sand is sometimes removed from the ship channel through a process called dredging to make it easier for ships to travel through. Recently, sand from the bottom of the channel was moved to area beaches. Without this transfer of sand, what would most likely occur in this area in the future? A. The ship channel would become deeper and the island would move west toward the mainland. B. The ship channel would become shallower and the beach would become narrower. C. The ship channel would narrower and the island would become completely covered with water. D. The ship channel would become wider and the island would sink into the Gulf. Question 3. The satellite photograph below shows a large meteorite crater that is 1,200 meters in diameter and 750 meters deep. This crater is located in a flat, arid part of northeastern Arizona. How will this crater most likely change over time? A. It will get deeper as it fills with water. B. It will rise up like a volcanic crater. C. It will become less deep as the rim erodes. D. It will widen as it fills with lava. Question 4. A section of a topographic map is shown below. What is the difference in elevation in meters between point X and point Y on the map? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. A map with contour lines is shown below. Which of the following is the best estimate of the difference in elevation between Black Bear Camp and Eagle Peak? A. 400 meters. B. 900 meters. C. 1,200 meters. Or D. 1,500 meters. Question 7. Look at the topographic map to the right. Assume the distance of each route is the same. Which route would be the easiest for the hiker to climb to the top? A, B, C, or D? Question 8. Which of the following is true about the following topographic map? A. Traveling from C to B, a hiker would climb a gentle short hill before climbing a steep tall hill. B. Traveling from C to B, a hiker would climb a steeper tall hill before climbing a gentle short hill. C. Traveling from C to B, a hiker would climb two hills of equal steepness and equal height. D. Traveling from C to B, a hiker would climb two hills of equal height. Question 9. Look at the topographic map below. Which cross-section best represents the profile along a straight line AB? Question 10. Look at the topographic map below and identify which side view best represents it. Question 11. Look at the topographic map below. Which letter represents the peak of the mountain? A, B, C, or D? Question 12. Look at the topographic map below. Which labeled point on this map has the highest elevation? A, B, C, or D?